Well, I put the feelers out there on Facebook and asked if you guys would be interested in watching me build this 57 Chevrolet. And you said you would, so I guess I'll give it a shot. This is my shop. I think I'm gonna call myself C- Garage because I'm not an expert, but I ain't no dummy. So, here we go. Basically, on this guy, we need a quarter. There's a hole. That's not supposed to be there. Those little holes are supposed to be there, but that hole's not supposed to be there. So we're gonna need to put a rear quarter on this thing already. I know that. When I got this car, it's basically kind of how I got it. I'll put a picture up here to show you what it looked like when I picked it up. It did not have the front end on it. Oh, it had the two fenders in the hood, but it did not have like the whole grill area and stuff like that. So I was getting a little worried that I didn't have all the parts that I needed. And I don't know if you guys know this, but parts for this thing are expensive. I mean, really expensive. Like, there's some taillights back there. Like, just the lens is like $100 or something. Golly. But anyways, we're gonna do this whole deal. We're gonna like go front to back, basically like a frame off restoration, but more like a resto-mod deal. I haven't decided if I'm gonna keep this old crusty boat anchor. For one thing, I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's like a 350 or 289 or whatever, something. All I know is it's a V8. But anyways, so yeah, I don't know. It's pretty locked up. This guy does not turn at all. I mean, I've tried with, it does not turn. So I haven't decided if I'm going to do an LS swap or what. LS swap would be even cooler. I'd go along with the resto-mod style, because one of the things I do is wiring. I wire old cars. I wire old cars up, for people. So I'm definitely going to be wiring this guy. And it's going to be really, really cool. I'm going to do the most awesomest job I've ever done. I don't know. Not that I don't do an awesome job all the time, but this one's gonna be like super custom because I can take my time on it, like all that good stuff. But yeah, we're gonna put new wiring in this guy. I really want to get like a Dakota digital dash. Those are fun. Whether it keeps this motor or not, it's gonna have like Holley Terminator or Holley Sniper deal in it. Sniper 2, not Sniper 1. Sniper 2 sucks. Those are a nightmare. Yeah, so just that's what I'm gonna do. We're definitely putting a floor pan in this guy, which I've already purchased from, oh man, I can't remember his name. I'll put a picture of his card, and I'll put a link in the description to like his company. Really awesome guy down out of Scranton, Kansas. Does nothing but Tri-Five Chevrolets. So he's a guy I will be consulting with on a lot of deals because I've never worked on one of these. And I'll probably just get all the parts from him because he knows what he's talking about. But I've already got a floor for it, a whole complete floor plan from front to back. I got a trunk pan coming, or not a trunk pan coming, but I have a trunk pan also. We already have the quarter. This thing needs a tail pan. Put that in it. An inner, the outer wheel housing is what he called them, which is weird to me because it's in there, but they call it the outer, but it's, yeah, anyways. So this thing, even for being crusty, I mean, the doors open really, really good, and they close. Like, those are fantastic for a look. It's really, I mean, it's not that bad. It looks rough. I mean, somebody sanded this deal, and I don't know what they did. I don't understand what this is, because it doesn't look like sand mark. It looks like they took a brick. It's like they sanded it with a brick or something. And then they were like, maybe we need to paint it. Nah, I keep sanding it with a brick. So yeah, but this car had almost everything there. It was all inside. I had almost every single part. Only part I was missing was the grill. I was only missing the flat grill part, some emblems, and this trim piece that goes on the window back here. Ooh, there's a screw. That's nice. I'm gonna keep that. We're gonna put that right there. You guys remember where that is. So yeah. Anyway, so let's check this out. I don't know, this quarter looks okay. I don't think I need to put a quarter on this one. I do need to patch it. There's a little Bondo in there, but it's not thick. I've seen some that are like 5,000 feet thick. Might need some rockers. I don't know. We'll have to look in there when we get the floor out. And the doors look. Let's see here. Oh, it's also going to get a full interior. I've already looked up the interior kit. I'm going to go back with this teal black. I don't know. I'll put a picture of that too. It was pretty cool. I want to go old school, keep it all original in here. Gonna get a I did it steering column. Pretty sure I said Dakota Digital Dash. Plan on putting vintage air in this guy because it is hot here in Kansas and muggy. I haven't decided whether or not I'm gonna put the like power window conversion deal in this. I mean, it's kind of expensive, but I don't know. You guys tell me, put it in the comments. Should I put power windows in it or should I just leave them the old school crank roll up deals? Oh, here's that interior. See, it's like, I don't know what you call this. It's like some kind of aminal deal. What is that? Like giraffe? I don't know. I don't know what it is. Anyways, let's see what we got here. So I know I definitely need a bumper. Or maybe I don't. Maybe I just need these end pieces. Because that one's rotted. See that? Rotted. And all super rusty. Oh, one of the fun things is when I got this car here, my wife and kids, they've never messed with one of these either. So we played a little game of, where's the gas cap? So I let them go at it, and they were all going at it, looking, trying to figure out. Oh, they thought it was there. And one of my sons he was all up in the trunk. He must have seen the old 70s, 80s, and stuff where they had it like behind the license plate. My wife was thinking that too, but she was looking up here, and I was just chuckling. I was like, "Babe, why are you looking up there?" She's like, "I don't know." It's pretty funny. But anyways, yeah. So we played. Where's the gas cap? Turns out it's right here behind this little deal. That's neat. Like I said, it's gonna need a quarter. I already got that. This door. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I mean, for a crusty old car, look at that thing. It closes really good. These little flipper up deals are neat when you open the door. You flip up. That's kind of cool. That's going to be kind of difficult figuring out how to get that out of there so I can clean it all up. The stainless is in really, really good shape. A lot of it. I mean, there's, I don't know if you can see that. There's a couple of little bitty dings and stuff here and there, but one there. But most part, I mean, it's all there. I even have all the trim on the for the side. For this side, I was really nervous didn't have that aluminum piece that goes inside there. I want to keep this thing mostly original as I can, body wise and trim and things like that. I want to make it look old school, but still put some modern stuff on it. We're gonna pull this thing completely off of the frame and do everything, all the things. So yeah. What else have I uncovered? I don't know. So you guys just follow along. I'll be working on this for a while. This ain't gonna happen in one video, but I'll try. I mean, not try to make it in one video, but I'm gonna make this deal. I don't know if I said it before, but like I said, I want to take it on a hot rod power tour. That would be really cool. And then once I'm done with it after hot rod power tour and get some recognition or whatever with this page, I'm gonna sell it. And you'll have like video, and somebody will have video evidence of this deal being built, and they'll see. We won't be able to hide nothing. It'll be all there on the internet. Excuse me. So yeah. So let's go. Let's figure it out.